everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you some formatting shortcuts that you can use when carrying out tasks to save you time and also boost your productivity in Microsoft Office Suite. Without taking much of your time, let's dive in. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to be making use of this document here. First thing first, so make this title bold. Instead of going through this wells where you highlight on a word and then you click on bold, you could also use this shortcut key, which is Ctrl B, and then you type the word you want to make bold. Same goes for underlining. If you want to underline, instead of going through this wells where you highlight on the word and then you click on underline, we could also use Ctrl U and then the type the word you want to use. Also, same goes for if you want to make it italic. Instead of doing it like this also, you also just use the shortcut Control I. Then type in your word. So that's it. And also, if you want to highlight on a particular word, instead of using your mouse to drag, you can just double tap onto it to highlight on it. You double tap 1, 2, it will highlight on it. And then if you want to highlight on more than just the word that you want to highlight on a paragraph, you triple tap on it. 1, 2, 3. You see it? 1, 2, 3. It's copy. Also, if you want to highlight and then you drag it to some extent, or maybe you want to, let's say you want to highlight on night, the stars shine like a tiny lantern. You can highlight on the first word and then use the shift and right arrow key. Shift and right arrow key to extend your highlight. You can also, to drag this backwards, also you use the left arrow key while still holding on to the shift key. Now to copy a particular format, to copy normal copying, we use the Ctrl+C shortcut. But for this one, we are not copying the contents, we are copying the format that was used in this title. So we use Ctrl, Shift, and C. Then you go to where you want to paste it, highlight on it, and still use Ctrl, Shift, and V to fill it. Now you can see that it is just the format that was copied and not the content of the text. I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video tutorials. And also, we will be hosting a free course on Microsoft Office Suite. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to sign up. See you on our next video. Bye.